Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. We will create today dialog box. Like if somebody will click on any button, so we will show dialog box like please wait or progressing, please wait, uploading, like this. As you seen in the menu of applications and in many websites, when you submit some form or something, so there is a message coming on the screen, please wait, it's uploading, or this, all these things we are doing in this video today. So to create a alert box, dialog box, I means what we have to do, first of all, come here in the lib, right click on lib, new, and folder, package or folder, like this. Here directory, and here error dialog folder, or you can say dialogs, like this, dialogs folder. Enter. Now we have created this dialog folders here, so right click on it and new, and make one file for dart and give it a name error dialog and enter. Now we need one more file, click on it, right click on dialog folder, new, and dart file, and this will be loading alert dialog and enter. Let's close all other screens like this one, login screen, close it, main dot, and products on we don't. So here we have, this is a spelling mistake here, you can see it's wrong, rename this loading LOA, like this, refactor. Now the spelling is correct. So come here to the error dialog file, and first of all import here material.dart, and here stateless visit, and give name error dialog, and here we have to declare one variable final string message, like this, and inside this constructor we have to mention this also. So after this key comma, and type required this dot message, like this. So this is a constructor of this variable. Now come here inside this override build context, so it returns here container. Instead of container we have to return alert dialog, this one, and here key will be key, and content will be text, and text will be message, this one. Now after this let's write action visits, and inside these actions what we have to do, we have to return a elevated button, and on press just make this like this, and child here, and child will be center. Inside this center we have one more child, child text, and text will be OK, so that when we press on OK, it will take to the screen which we will provide here. So if user will click on this OK, where we have to send user, so we have to mention here inside this on press here. So here we have to pass that screen where we want to send the user after click on it. So we have to send root, new root equal to material page, material material page root and write here context like this, and equal, and where we have to send we will mention here. So we want to send user on welcome screen again. If something occurred, some error occurred, so we have to send user to the welcome screen. So here welcome screen, and put here semicolon, and after this write navigator dot push replacement new routes, like this. So this is our dialog box for error, like this. Now come back to the loading here, loading alert. Now let's import material dot and stateless visit, and here loading alert dialog, and same things here, final string message, and mention here in the constructor. So here we have to required this dot message, like this. And then here, instead of returning container, what we have to do, instead of this, return here alert dialog, alert alert, alert dialog, and key will be key, and then content will be column, and main axis alignment dot dot, sorry, not maximum axis size, maximum axis size dot min. Now children visits, and inside this we will pass this circular progress class, and after that child, so not child, size box height will be 15, and after size box this will be, after this here text, no, not here, directly here text will be please wait, like this, and comma. Now you will see here this is error here because still we did not create this class. So let's create this class. Come here in the lib folder and new and dot file, and right here loading visit, enter, and here we have to create a class. First import this material dot, and after this let's create this function here, circular progress, and like this, open this, and here return container, inside this container, and then here alignment dot center, and then padding edge inset only top 12, and then here child circular progress indicator, and then value color always stop animation, and then after this colors dot green accent, or instead of this let's give light green accent, this one, and put here comma, and after this then we need one more function here, so linear progress, and the same things here, just copy these two lines and paste inside this, and after this, sorry, return, copy from here, return container, this one, copy all these things from the return container and paste it here like this, and change here this one. So from this child here, cut it all and right here linear progress indicator, value color, value always, stop animation, then open bracket, colors will be light green accent. That's all, like this. Press Alt Control L. So all code will be format like this. So we have created our these two functions, one for dialog box and one for linear progress. It is the indicator which will be like this circle, like this. I am doing my mouse like this. It will be like this. Please wait, and it will be circling like this. So come back to the loading screen, and here click on it, and now import this. You can see this import. Now the error has gone. You can see. Now we have created our dialog box and everything, so we can use these dialog box anywhere in our application. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.